Hello and welcome to our channel, where we explore everything related to future technology and its impact on our world. Today we are going to talk about the future of military drones and how they are changing the face of warfare. Drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, have been used by the military for years, mainly for reconnaissance and surveillance missions. But in recent years, drones have become more advanced and capable of carrying out different types of tasks, such as attacking enemy targets, delivering supplies, jamming communications, and even rescuing soldiers. According to Fortune Business Insights, the global market size for military drones was $10.25 billion in 2021 and is expected to reach $30.86 billion by 2029, growing at a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 14.82%. This shows that drones are becoming more popular and essential for modern warfare. But what are some of the trends and technologies that will shape the future of military drones? Let's take a look at some of them. Artificial intelligence. AI is one of the key drivers of drone innovation, as it enables drones to operate autonomously, learn from their environment, and collaborate with other drones or human operators. AI can also help drones to avoid obstacles, identify targets, and make decisions in complex situations. For example, the U.S. Air Force is developing a program called Skyborg, which aims to create a network of AI-powered drones that can act as wingmen for manned fighter jets. Swarm intelligence. Swarm intelligence is another aspect of AI that allows drones to coordinate and communicate with each other in large numbers, creating a collective intelligence that is greater than the sum of its parts. Swarm drones can perform tasks that are too difficult or dangerous for single drones, such as overwhelming enemy defenses, creating diversions, or gathering information. For example, China has demonstrated its ability to launch hundreds of swarm drones from a single truck or helicopter. Stealth technology. Stealth technology is a way of making drones less visible or detectable by radar, infrared, or other sensors. Stealth drones can infiltrate enemy airspace without being noticed, giving them an advantage in stealthy attacks or reconnaissance missions. For example, the U.S. has developed several stealth drones, such as the RQ-170 Sentinel and the XQ-58 Valkyrie. Hypersonic technology. Hypersonic technology is a way of making drones fly faster than 5 times the speed of sound, Mach 5, which is much faster than conventional missiles or aircraft. Hypersonic drones can strike targets with greater accuracy and speed, reducing the reaction time of the enemy and increasing the survivability of the drone. For example, Russia has claimed to have tested a hypersonic drone called Avangard, which can fly at Mach 27 and evade any missile defense system. Laser technology. Laser technology is a way of using beams of light to destroy or damage targets with high precision and low collateral damage. Laser drones can act as both offensive and defensive weapons, as they can shoot down enemy missiles, aircraft, or drones, or attack ground targets such as vehicles or buildings. For example, the U.S. Navy has tested a laser drone called Helios, which can generate up to 150 kilowatts of power and burn through metal in seconds. These are just some of the examples of how military drones are evolving and becoming more sophisticated and powerful. Drones are already playing a significant role in recent conflicts around the world, such as in Ethiopia, Libya, Syria, and Ukraine. And as technology advances further, we can expect to see more drone warfare in the future. But what are some of the challenges and implications of using military drones? How will they affect the ethics and laws of war? How will they impact civilian lives and human rights? And how will they shape the balance of power and security among nations? These are some of the questions that we need to consider as we enter a new era of drone warfare. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more future technology-related content. And don't forget to leave your comments below on what you think about the future of military drones. Thank you for watching this video.